A technical dead ringer of the best-selling DOA series, the Birds of a Feather offers all the performance of one of the most sought-after snowboards in the world, replicated into flex patterns and geometric sizing to meet women's riding requests. Simply put, the do anything, go anywhere Birds of a Feather is ready to change your riding forever. With the medium flex that's easy to turn and an elongated effective edge ready to carve up the slopes, this hybrid-camber, all-terrain destroyer has inspired countless knockoffs chasing its success. Such emulation comes with the territory, given that the Birds of a Feather has won every major design award in the industry. With an all-new dual blaster V2 core and 8 standard width sizes to choose from, the Birds of a Feather now breaks down industry barriers with a women's dedicated wide offering and is ready to take your snowboarding to new heights.